Jamaica Conference Center. Actually downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Very large building, Jamaica Conference Center. I'm heading towards the waterfront. Journey with me. And this building right here is a Bank of Jamaica. This is the bank that makes all the rules and regulation for all the other smaller banks. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Jamaican Conference Center. See cameras? Looking at the Jamaica Conference Center. A lot of people have been living in Jamaica for years and they have never gone. By downtown in Kingston. I just tell myself that, you know, I need a little relaxation, so I'm coming downtown by the waterfront. It's a bit hot, but I'm telling you, it's lovely. Look at this coconut tree. See? Parkway. It's lovely. The ideal time to come down here is here, right? The ideal time to come down here is in the afternoon when the sun is not as hot as now. But it's fine. Look at that cargo ship. More than one of them docked in the water. There's another one there. It's very relaxing. And see, you have a lovely building. Again, the conference center. And that's one of our lovely hotels at the top. Can be a tourist attraction rather. And further across, I think that building where I'm directing the camera is a digital building. The last time I've been down here is over 10 years ago. See that? Well, this is it for now.